Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka kanhun kabalatip kong ka Regional Council Demand Committee kabalailam da UMLA bat Menteri Sarkar Barem Dr. KC Boro kum Chairman kalalet banya kendo yo lat ke jala banya keren bat ai da kajing tho ba pensko sa ka Sarkar India bakan thau no da ka Regional Council na ka benta ki red pa schedule tribe ki ba syong basa ka ni jala namar ba kila sha le ben cha bapalan ha ka jingtho ka baki a sha ulan kila pente bakila sha le ben nadu ka bha yo kam yo jam ha ka ba ya ki khasi jaintia bat garo lamang hadu prapo persen ka bha kata saupho ya ki khasi jaintia bat saupho pat ya ki garo kat ba ya ki pat ki badon kumba lailak ngot tam hak jalla Meghalaya kata hadu ki hajong ki coach ki rabha ki boro bat ki man kinthop ki karbi la ai bha tangsan persen bat kataru ki kam sarkar ki balat na ka banta jongki ki wan sisian ha ka arpho ne arpsan snem nang ta shushu kilaong baha ka baydai bat kasan hima sima lapia pen paria ya ki jaka ba ki shong ki sa ki jaj bandri jongki da ka bawan ra ya ka jingpia constituency thamai haus nam arajar khatlai bat la paria ya ki keleng ha ka ba menchwa ki jula ban sai MLA hadu sawot ru hanrei menta namar ka ni ka jingpia kim yo shu watang yo weu MLA ru bat ka ni ka long kumba set ka ya ka sintur jongki kilaong ba ki Muslim hangni ha Meghalaya kidang laban say arngot ki MLA kat ba makipat tang uweru kim laban say but day na kaniga daw ki dawa da ka Regional Council.
Very happy with our meeting with the governor today. Governor has very patiently listened to what we told him and we read out. He has given the time to read out the memorandum also. He has promised us he will do the in-depth study about this. If need be, he will constitute a committee with the officers from the governor's house and even the advocate general, if necessary. He has taken the matter seriously and he said he should get the justice in the matter. But right now, suo motu just I cannot promise anything. But at least, because we requested him either to constitute commission or the committee to inquire, to study into the matter whether our demand is genuine or not. But we claim our demand is very, very genuine because it is constitutional. Under Article 244 2 and 275(1 and the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, it is already very clearly there that the minority states of any state, they can enjoy, they get the facilities of this regional council for their upliftment, for their development and for their protection. So accordingly we have demanded. We don't want any separation neither from the state nor from the district. It's very simple. Only the minority tribals inhabited area, we call it in Garo Hills popularly known as plain belt area, covering right from Dainadubi from the north, Dainadubi, Mandipathar, Manigunj, Bhaya, Tikikla, Fulbari, Rajabala, Garobada, Ampati, Mohendraganj, Talu, up to Sibari. It covers 4 districts: North Garo Hills, West Garo Hills, South West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills. A total area to be covered, that is as per our proposed, the area of the regional council is 1,987 square kilometers. Total population of the minority tribals within this area is 1,97,000 some hundred total population, and of course other communities also will fall little like our Garo brethren, tribal brethren, our elder brother Garo villages also will be little there within the area, and other communities like Assamese, Bengali, Bihari, Muslims, but they will be only microscopic in their population, but maximum is minority tribal dominated area, inhabited area. That is what is our demand. We don't want separation, we don't want either from the state nor from the district. Only for our development, for the backward communities of Hajong, Scorsese, Rabat, Boro, Kusaris and Man. We want this regional council under 6 schedule of the Constitution of India. But we demanded earlier, last year in August 5th, we submitted a memorandum from Meghalaya Indigenous Minority Tribals Forum demanding this regional council. There we have clearly mentioned we want regional council under Article 280, through which direct funding facility will be there. Direct funding. Present district councils, all district councils, they get their fund through state government, which hampers the development of the district council. So, if government of India grant us the regional council has demanded, we want this regional council with direct funding from the center. And also, we have demanded one special facilities also, that is satellite council. Like our communities are scattered, not in one place. Through satellite council, we want to reach the development to each and every minority tribal community, wherever they live, in all over Meghalaya. And our movement, our demand will be very democratic, very constitutional, without spoiling the relation, understanding. Our relation, our understanding that is going on ages together with Garus and other tribal communities like Khasis and Jointes in the state. Without disturbing this relation and understanding unity, just we want. That is our earnest request to the authorities concerned, for which we have met the governor today, submitted our memorandum. Governor has honestly listened to us and said he promised us he will constitute a committee for in-depth study into this and will let us know in time.